Hello, this is Dave, and welcome to Equity Story. I think the price action we saw today was fantastic, and certainly a lot of enthusiasm from on Wall Street, and Trump's now talking about tax cuts. It was a great move on Wall Street, and just near resistance. But I think if Wall Street can have a really good sort of maybe night tonight and break through certain levels, uh, you know, we're back on, and this rally is going higher in the short term. This move was very, very good today, and we didn't even have. We're talking about that sort of Friday afternoon selling where you tend to get the market being sold off a little bit. It basically held up really, really well, and it looks very, very good. And this is important for us because at the moment we're trending a few stocks, and we're watching these charts obviously really carefully. But it looks like what we're trending, I think, will do quite well. Just to finish the week, the market opened the week at 5,621 and ended the week 5,220, which is up about 100 points, which is excellent. And what's even better, there we go, a nice little buy signal. So I'm really liking the look of the markets at the moment in the short term, and as a result, I mean, obviously the trending stocks are looking good, and we've got a lot of green here at the moment. I'll just get these stocks so you can have a good look at them. Obviously corporate travel, and these are our favorite stories, looking very, very good, ready for a good report, and I think a good move up next week. TWE, just looks great, going and going. ALU, again, having a good green day today, trading beautifully above those trend lines. Aristocrat, guess what, a nice little buy signal. That's a bullish stock, certainly, or a buy signal for next week. ALQ holding that sort of, that sort of tight trend line. BAP, what a good day, and it's given itself a buy signal. So possibly there's going to be some good news coming out with some half-yearly earnings numbers fairly soon. Ramsey coming up very nicely. Domino's, what a story. Now just edging its little nose above that sort of 50-day moving average. Great price action this week from obviously being sold down pretty strongly. The infamous Hansen, again, holding above that 40-day. Very, very good price action by the end of the week. FPH, again, holding above those trend lines. And obviously Northern Star looking good. Evolution looking good. And those two little small caps we're trending at the moment. CBL, very little volume, is going to be volatile, but holding on that trend line, slightly up today. And I think MNF looking ready and poised for hopefully a good report. So generally speaking, I'm happy how these stocks are trending at the moment. And you know what? It's trending is hard at the moment. We do need the fundamentals to kick in for us as well at the moment. And I think we're in the right stocks. I think hopefully reporting season will prove we're in the right stocks, and hopefully we can start taking a nice little sort of heap of profits out of these stocks over the next few weeks. The story of the day is Qbiotics. Trent, part of the Equity Story team, was in Sydney, and so were some of our members today, which is great. And generally speaking, we're sort of pretty excited. The CEO, she's going to announce to the market in July exactly the date they're going to put Qbiotics on the market, and they're going to list the company on the ASX. I don't believe they're going to be announcing that date if it's not going to be sort of later on this year or early next year, which I think is really exciting. Importantly, what they're talking about as well is basically their sales and marketing launch for the animal products, which they're going to be ideally launching around December 2018. I don't think they'll be sort of talking about sort of launching the products around 2018 if, one, they weren't pretty confident that they've got all these products that are going to be passed, and two, obviously you'd think they'd want to be listed at least 9 months beforehand. So we won't find out till July, but my opinion is I think they're going to be listing the end of this year, or possibly early next year. What they did say, there's another company, Qbiotics, is Ecobiotics, which is, again, it's the same people involved. They're most probably going to combine the two, which is exciting because actually Ecobiotics, it also owns the patents on this little Alzheimer's drug, which could be absolutely huge. So This is exciting. It's really exciting. We're looking forward to hopefully this company listing at few multiples of where it is at the moment, and this could be one of the great, hopefully one of the great things we've done at Equity Story, getting all our members into this company. So fingers crossed, and I think there's going to be a copy of the presentation she did put online fairly soon. So as soon as we got that, I'll send it all out to the members, and you can have a look at it. I would say at the moment, if you like Cubotics, I don't know, there were shares available around that sort of, if you want to buy good parts around 50 cents, you'd have to contact Ruben. We've got the details. So if you are interested in any stock, please get through to me, and I'll send you Ruben's details straight away, and he can see what obviously he can do for you. That's all I've got to say tonight at Equity Story. I have got one very exciting announcement. We are working pretty hard on. We're trying to obviously make life better for our members. We've got the new website coming, and at the moment, it looks like we've secured a much more attractive trading deal. At the moment, we do have a deal with Open Markets around $9.85 for all our members, and potentially we've done a lot better there. And I will be releasing that exactly what it is on Monday. But again, those people who trade a lot, that it's really important to obviously reduce their costs on trading. We've potentially we're just putting pen to paper with the lawyers at the moment. Done a fantastic deal for all our members on their trading fees. So again, I'll let you know exactly what that is on Monday. And have a good weekend. Enjoy the hot weather, and I look forward to bringing you this report on Monday. Thank you, and good night.